So hello guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So guys, today as always I'm going to share with you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. And before doing this guys, don't forget to check the description to this video where you can find cool links to my private Telegram channel. And what you will find here, of course, you will find lots of useful information such as daily trading signals, daily analytics. And the coolest thing is that if you write me a private message and tell me that you want to become a VIP member of my private channel, I will automatically add you to my VIP private club in Telegram, where you can participate in my daily trading online sessions. And that means that each day at the scheduled time you will trade online with me and get real money online with me each day. So if you want to do this, join me right now. Don't lose your chance. This is absolutely free. Now let's stop talking and let's proceed to our trading activity for today. And we are starting it. So today we are going to trade 7 currency pairs: USD BRL, USD INR, Audi GPI, Euro USD, Audi CAD, Audi CHF, and Audi GPI. By the way, as always, we are using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we are going to invest our whole deposit in each trade. That will allow us to save our time and enlarge our deposits as fast as possible. By the way, today I'm using only 2 indicators. This is MACD indicator, one of my favorite ones, and moving average. So the first trade is opened. This is sell position according to the MACD indicator. As you can see, green line is below the red one in the MACD indicator, and that means that price will highly likely go down. For those who don't know how MACD indicator works, I will explain to you. There are 2 lines, green one and the red one. Everything is very simple. If green line is above the red one, it means that price will highly likely go up. Contrary to that, if green line is below the red one, that means that price will highly likely go down. By the way, there are several situations when green line is not yet above or below the red line, however, it's just going to cross it in this direction. And if we observe such situation, this is the same strong signal for us to open buy or sell position according to the direction of the green line, where it's going up or down, even if it has not crossed the red line yet, but it is going to do this. So now, according to the MACD indicator, you can see that green line is just going to cross the red one, and the green line is going up. That means for us that price will highly likely go up, and we have opened sell position here, not according to the MACD indicator. Yes, I especially told this. I told you first about MACD indicator. However, after this, I told you that no, we're not going to use it. We have opened sell position according to the level of resistance that you can observe. You can see these three hikes. First one, second one, and the third one, which we're observing right now. Third hike. This resistance level doesn't allow price to go higher anymore, and price is always stopped here, and after this it's going down like now. That's why we have open sell position, and after this price is going down. Fine, that was profitable trade. Now we should think about the next one. Let's think a little bit. Okay. So, my friends, now according to the MACD indicator, you can clearly see that green line is above the red one, and price is going up according to the signal of MACD indicator. That's why we have opened buy position with investment of $119. Okay guys, so here everything is also very simple. According to the MACD indicator, green line is strictly below the red one. For us, it's a strong signal that price is going to go down. That's why we have open sell position here with investment of $222. We have only 53 cents left on our account. So guys, here you can clearly see the signal of the MACD indicator, which is showing to us that green line is above the red one, and together with this we understand that price will go up. That's why we're opening buy position here with investments of $424. That was profitable one. Okay guys, we are continuing the same movement, so we are continuing to open the same positions, buy positions in this upgoing channel, in this upgoing movement. So we have just invested $793 in this deal. Yes, and that's it. We are just waiting for profit right now. Okay guys, that's it. Perfectly done. Okay, so that's it guys. According to this situation, we should pay attention to the MACD indicator. Here you can find green line above the red one. That's a strong signal for us that the price will highly likely go up. That's why we have opened buy position. And now we are just waiting for our profits in our pocket, in our wallet. Now let's think a little bit what we're going to do next. So I think this will be the last trade for today. It will be a short but very profitable trading session. So here, according to the resistance levels that we can observe, not a MACD indicator right now, but resistance level, we can clearly see here, we are opening to sell positions with investment of $1,000 each one. So yes, that's it. Now let's just wait till we get our money. Okay, splendid. That was perfect. So guys, we have $4,093 in our account. That's quite good. That's really good because we started with just $33 in our account, and this, if you want to do the same amount each day, you can do this. And all you need for this is just to open description to this video. Here you'll find really cool link to my private Telegram channel. You need just to click on the link button, click on the subscribe button, and after this you will be added to my private Telegram channel, telling me that you want to become a VIP member of my private channel. I will automatically add you to my VIP private club in Telegram. Here, what can you find? You can participate in my daily trading online sessions, and you can trade online together with me. I'm giving you trading signals, you follow them, and after this you earn real money each day. This will help you to, first of all, create your initial deposit, and secondly, you will get experience and skills for your further work in this sphere. Just watch my videos, subscribe to my Telegram channel, read feedbacks, and you will understand everything. So thank you guys a lot for attention. I wish you amazing, successful, and profitable day. God bless you all. Thank you and bye-bye.